Now, breaking news from RTV6.
And during this break in The Bachelor, break in programming, wanted to set up the situation that is changing rapidly. We will be live on HTSN after this cut-in. I'll remind you in a second. Two different tornado warnings now. Radar indicated severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado from southeast of Crawfordsville into Hendricks County, and then northern Warren into northwest portions then of Tippecanoe County. This warning in effect until 9:15. It includes Ladoga, North Salem to Danville, just to the west of Brownsburg up to Liston, and then Bainbridge would be on the southwestern edge of this. Certainly damaging wind, half-dollar size hail, and an isolated tornado can't be ruled out with that particular tornado warning. I want to slide to the north and west. We'll go up into Tippecanoe County. They're kind of twin storms here, independent of each other, but both have strong rotation and the ability to produce a tornado. This is near Oxford, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Ping pong ball size hail possible with that from Pine Village to Otterburn to Wabash, just to the northwest of Lafayette. Those are the two tornado warnings in effect. I put the radar on, and you can see the hail core with us in the strongest portion of the storm from Ladoga to near North Salem, kind of drifting to the south and east, and it will have torrential rainfall with it. There are the two storms that we'll keep our eye on as they continue to move to the south and to the east, and the two tornado warnings in effect along those. I will go in and use our hail indicator to look into the storm. You can see how the hail is intense there, half-dollar size hail. That's just to the southeast to Crawfordsville and also south of Interstate 74. We'll look into the storm that's been sitting between Lafayette and Fowler, not producing as much hail there. Now we'll look for rotation within the storm, and you can see what we've got here. The reds are moving away from the radar, the green toward the radar. Where we get the mixing is where we get rotation within the storm. I can put on storm tracks, and you'll see the marker that sits there just to the southeast of Crawfordsville. I'll take the lightning off, and you can see the marker to the south and to the east. Now, you guys in the control room can remind me when we're going to go back to The Bachelor, but we're going to stay on live on RTV6. The wind southeast at 17, or the storm is moving southeast at 17, showing signs of the ability to produce a tornado. Rochdale toward Danville and Brownsburg. And that's into northwest and west central Hendricks County. It's going to cut across northeastern portions of Putnam County, north of 36, east of Bainbridge. But right now, Rochdale is where you should be in the lowest level of your home, away from windows in an interior hallway or bathroom. And as I zoom in, you can see the Ladoga there, and notice the spinning red arrows showing the rotation within the storm and its ability to produce a tornado. Moving to the southeast, so between Bainbridge and North Salem, and then toward Danville eventually, if that holds together. Let's slide up to the north and west. This is a storm capable of producing a tornado that sits between Fowler and Lafayette. For all of us watching, there is a tornado watch in effect, that until 3 o'clock in the morning for much of central Indiana, nearly all of central Indiana. We've got our two tornado warnings now, 9:15 in Hendricks County and then 9:30 up in Tippecanoe County. We're going to stay live on HTSN and interrupt The Bachelor during commercial breaks unless something changes in this, and we're live on the RTV6 app, and you can get information, of course, at theindychannel.com. Back to The Bachelor. Stay
now on RTV6.
The Indy Channel.